July 3rd, 2002.
And
This is Camylle on her 7th birthday. We are so grateful to have had her for 7 years. And here's a cake to celebrate. It's a Rainforest cake. And Camille's going to slowly turn the plate so we can see the different animals. There's a orangutan, a parrot, here,
and a snake.
some tigers, the vines.
A snake.
It has 7 candles, and we are just excited to
And
sing happy birthday to her. And a snake, Neil says. And she made some ants in a row. And that is our Camylle. And that was her choice to have this
And a
cake.
cougar.
And we're going to be going to Coulon Park in just a few moments to meet Daddy, so we can celebrate Camille's birthday. And then here's Neil.
Here.
Get over by the cake.
Okay.
And
And then we'll do both of us.
and tell Camille happy birthday instead of push her away.
Birthday. And look at this. There's 2 monkeys. But
Okay, well, let's go ahead and find the lighter that Daddy brought home.